Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Themiraclemirror. In today's video, I'm back with a gel which makes our skin glowing, radiant and bright. So let's quickly see the recipe. We will need beetroot, glycerin, cucumber gel. Now slice the beetroot into smaller pieces and put it into the grinder and crush it well. And extract the juice using a strainer. Into a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of beetroot juice, 1 teaspoon of cucumber gel and half a teaspoon of glycerin and mix very well. Mix very well until you get the gel like so. Apply this gel onto your washed pat dried face and massage it until it is completely absorbed. In this gel we have used beetroot, which has skin brightening and lightening properties. It has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties which helps to get rid of suntan, blemishes, pigmentation, acne and skin infections. Cucumber gel. It soothes the acne and makes them fade. It also provides a cooling sensation. Glycerin. It moisturizes the skin and keeps it well hydrated. Also, it helps to get rid of acne scars, wrinkles and fine lines. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, please like and subscribe and don't forget to share it with your friends and family as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye bye.